Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Time. I am Lily. Today you will learn how to use must, have to, and need to naturally in real English conversations. Let's start with must. We use must when something feels very important to you personally. Now, everyone, listen to this conversation.
Lily, are you coming to the party tonight?
I can't. I must finish my project first. I can't. I must finish my project first.
Oh, I see. Is it due tomorrow?
Yes, I must finish it tonight. Yes, I must finish it tonight.
Good luck with your project.
Thanks, Alex. I really must get started now. Thanks, Alex. I really must get started now. So, everybody, here Lily personally feels that finishing the project is very important. Now comes the scene 2 for must.
Lily, you look tired. Are you okay?
I'm fine, but I must get some sleep tonight. I'm fine, but I must get some sleep tonight.
Were you up late again?
Yes, I must take better care of myself. Yes, I must take better care of myself.
That's a good idea.
I know, I must change my routine. I know, I must change my routine. Notice how must shows Lily's strong personal feeling. She believes it is important to do these things. Now, let's look at have to. We often use have to when a boss, a teacher, or another situation requires you to do something. Let's see it in a real conversation.
Lily, why are you leaving so early?
I have to go to work now. I have to go to work now.
But it's only 7 o'clock.
I know, but I have to be at the office by 8. I know, but I have to be at the office by 8.
Oh, okay. Your boss expects you there early.
Exactly. I have to be there on time. Exactly. I have to be there on time. So everyone here, Lily is not necessarily choosing to go early. Her work schedule requires her to do it. Let's see another scene for have to.
Lily, are you going to the gym after work?
Not today. I have to finish some work first. Not today. I have to finish some work first.
Is it a big project?
Yes, my manager needs it today, so I have to finish it before I leave. My manager needs it today, so I have to finish it before I leave.
Okay, good luck.
So everyone, the situation at work creates the responsibility here. That's why have to sounds natural. Now let's talk about need to. We use need to when something is necessary or important to do. It often sounds practical and natural in everyday English. Let's see the scene for need to.
Lily, are you ready for your trip?
Almost. I need to pack my suitcase. Almost. I need to pack my suitcase.
When are you leaving?
Tomorrow morning. So I need to pack everything tonight. Tomorrow morning. So I need to pack everything tonight. So everyone here, packing is necessary because Lily is going on a trip. It is a practical need. Now comes the scene 2 for need to.
Lily, what are you doing this afternoon?
I need to go to the supermarket. I need to go to the supermarket.
Why?
We don't have any food for dinner. I need to buy some vegetables and rice. We don't have any food for dinner. I need to buy some vegetables and rice. Everyone, this is a simple, everyday need. There is no special rule. Lily just needs to do it because it is necessary. Now let's quickly compare all three. Must often shows a strong personal feeling. Have to often shows an outside requirement or rule. Need to shows something that is necessary or practically important. So remember, must, have to, and need to can all talk about things that are important or necessary, but the feeling behind them can be different. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence with must, one with have to, and one with need to in the comments. Thanks for watching the English Time.